How to log into Sleep Country Canada Mastercard login. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you guys on a step-by-step guide on how you can easily log into your Sleep Country Canada's Mastercard. For that, you first need to go to your web browser and then simply search for Sleep Country Canada Mastercard login. Then hit enter, and you should be able to find this login button on this URL. You can directly search for this URL as well, and it will take you to the website. Once you get here, you will find the sign in button. So click on the sign in button at the top right corner and just provide your login details like your email address and then your password. Once you've done that, just click on the sign in button, and if you've forgotten your password, click on forgot password to recover it and check this box to remember your login info. If you don't have an account yet, you can always create a new account. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you log into your Sleep Country Canada's Mastercard login. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.